Making smoothie. We'll learn to calculate the product of a proper fraction and a whole number. Meet Devin. He is making a smoothie. The recipe calls for 2/3 of a cup of yogurt. He wants to make smoothies for a few of his friends as well. So he decides to make 4 times the amount, or in other words, multiply the recipe by 4. How much yogurt in total will Devin use? We could think of adding up 2/3 of a cup 4 times, or multiplying 2/3 by 4. Let's calculate this product using area models. When representing the multiplication of 2 proper fractions with area models, we only need 1 square. This is because both our factors are less than a whole. But in our expression, one of the factors is greater than 1. So we will need more than 1 square model. How many squares do we need? Well, we need as many squares as the whole number factor. So for this expression, we must draw 4 squares. Then we shade all the 4 boxes blue to represent the 4 holes. Now, let's look at the other factor, 2/3. To represent this factor, we must shade 2/3 of every square. How much is 2/3 of a square? A square is a whole. So, we can divide each square into 3 equal parts by drawing 2 additional horizontal lines. Each part now represents 1/3, because 3/3 equals 1 whole. The numerator of our fraction is 2, so we shade 2 of the 3 parts for each area model in red. Just as when using area models to show the product of 2 proper fractions, the portion of the model where our shading overlaps represents our product. In this case, the area which is shaded with blue and red. And we know that each part represents 1/3. So, how many 1/3 parts are there in the overlap area? We have 8 1/3 sized parts, which equals to 8/3. So the product of 2/3 and 4 is 8/3. If we rearrange the overlap parts, we see that 8/3 is equal to 2 wholes and 2/3, or 2 and 2/3. So Devin will need 2 and 2/3 cups of yogurt to make the smoothie. In this lesson, you learned how to find the product of a fraction and a whole number using area models.